Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between the TP-Link Archer A653 and the Archer GX90 routers. In this review, we'll break down their key specifications across wireless performance, security provisions, hardware components, and software features to help you make an informed decision. 1. Wireless. The Archer A653 offers Wi-Fi 5 compatibility with ACK 1200 speeds, providing 867 Mbps on the 5 GHz band and 300 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, suitable for medium-sized homes. On the other hand, the Archer GX90 boasts Wi-Fi 6 technology with ACK 6600 speeds, delivering up to 4,804 Mbps on the 5 GHz band and 574 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, perfect for larger residences. Both routers feature beamforming technology and multiple antennas for enhanced signal strength and coverage. 2. Security. While both routers come equipped with essential security features such as SPI firewall, access control, and an APO binding, the Archer GX90 offers advanced protection with HomeCare antivirus, malicious site checker, and infected device isolation to safeguard your network against online threats effectively. Additionally, it provides comprehensive parental controls and VPN server capabilities for secure remote access. 3. Hardware. The Archer A653 features a dual-core QPU, 1 gigabit WAN port, and 4 gigabit LAN ports, providing reliable performance for everyday use. In contrast, the Archer GX90 is powered by a 1.5 JZ quad-core QPU and offers a 2.5 GBps LAN port, 1 gigabit WAN port, and 3 gigabit LAN port for superior processing power and faster data transfer speeds. Moreover, it includes additional USB ports for enhanced connectivity and file sharing. 4. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like IPv4 and IP6 and offer QoS by device and NAT forwarding for effective network management. However, the Archer GX90 introduces Game Accelerator QoS for optimized gaming performance and Game Center features such as real-time latency monitoring and HomeCare antivirus protection for a secure gaming experience. Additionally, it provides VPN client capabilities and cloud service features for convenient remote management. In conclusion, both the TP-Link Archer A653 and Archer GX90 routers offer excellent performance and features for home networking. If you're looking for faster Wi-Fi speeds, advanced security features, and superior hardware specifications, the Archer GX90 is the ideal choice. However, if you prefer a budget-friendly option with reliable performance, the Archer A653 remains a solid contender. Thank you for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video.